Hey guys, it's Paeng. It's less than 48 hours before the school year starts. Look at what I'm doing. I'm working. So this is gonna be how it looks like for me sa buong school year, buong college life ko. I hope, I hope may work pa ako pagdating ng mga theses, mga research kasi most probably I'll be busy. Pero ayan, sana ganito pa rin yung situation 4 years from now that I still have a job to support my studies. Yes, some of my classmates are already advanced reading. Pero ito ako, hindi ko magawa mag-self-care. Gusto ko sana pagpasok ka fresh, ganyan. Yung hindi talaga mapagkakama ng prof. I think 5 years older from my classmates. Kailangan nating magmaganda at hindi mapaghalata ang trentahe na. My titos and titas want me to cut my hair, but nah, I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, so a parcel just came. Let's unbox this. Grabe, may sipon pa rin ako. Hindi pa 100% bumabalik ang aking voice from the concert. Isa lang naman itong order ko, so I already knew what's in it. This is an earphone, a Bluetooth earphone, earbuds. How do you call it? AirPods kasi pag iPhone. It's a Bluetooth earpods. What? Earbuds. True wireless earbuds. So I got it from Basius. Hindi ako nag-AirPods guys because knowing myself, kung hindi ko siya masasira, mabawala ko lang siya. BP1 Pro. It has a lot of claims. Yan, one of it is having a 55-hour battery life with the case, 12 hours without the case, 6 mic AI clear calls, IP55 for sweat and dust. It has a free clear case. Good morning. It's July 13 in the morning, 5 a.m. And today's gonna be the first day of work. Grabe maulan ngayon, guys. It's not a good weather. Actually, suspended na yung kinder to grade 12. As usual, ang mga college ay immortal. Kaya may pasok pa rin tayo. Tuloy ang first day, walang makakapigil. I just woke up and I'll just gonna eat my breakfast. Maliligo na rin ako and basically prepare for school. Kaya yun. Right now, I'm still excited but worried at the same time kasi the uniform is white. Tapos maulan pa. So, sa dugyot kong ito, I don't think kayang sumurvive ng damit ko for a day na walang putik or walang any dumi. That's why medyo nakakakabayan siya, no? Ganda lang. Idaan na lang natin sa ganda. Maliligo lang ako kasi baka balita ko. So, it's my first day and today, we're on our way to school. The class starts at 7 and it's already 6:34. Yung biyahe is usually taking 20 minutes or more, ganyan, depending on the traffic. But since it's a bypass, it's gonna be quicker. But yeah, eto na guys, totoo na talaga. Like, legit, isa na ako talagang estudyante and wala na itong atrasan. Susundin ko lang yung dalawa kong pinsan and then after that, diretso na kami sa school. This is my first attempt na mag-vlog dito sa loob ng campus. So I'm currently with BR class rep. Say hi.
Hello guys.
I'm with Ramos.
Include us in your vlog, Kuya Raf. Hi! Hi everyone!
Ramos, anong first name mo?
J-Aaron.
We're currently taking a break. Ito yung pinili ko for me.
So, bumili ka. Tapos hindi naman ako.
Tocino, egg, and rice. For 100 pesos. Is it worth it? Well, kinda no. To be honest, naantok talaga ako. Not a morning person, but I'm trying. We're trying. Coffee would definitely help me.
Yes, I.
Mga plastic sila. Mga plastikada.
Hindi, sa totoo lang guys, sabi niya ni Kuya Raf, ako daw yung the best na naging kaklase niya.
Sinabi niya yun. Anyway, I'll just gonna eat. We're just gonna eat and then after that, we're gonna have our last subject for today. We only have 2 subjects. We're already done with the first one and we're off to the second one. We're just gonna eat first and then after that, we're gonna go ahead and end the day. Let's go. Happy Wednesday, everyone. So, today is Wednesday and we have a lot of things to do. Yan, andyan na yung magagawa na assignment, mag-review, and of course, a little side quest, mag-pickleball tayo for today's video. It is important to still do stuff like this kasi it can avoid yung exhaustion, yan, para tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo. And of course, a little movement kasi lagi na kami nakaupo, nagbabasa, nakaharap sa computer. It's gonna be a busy day kasi isisiksik ko lahat sa Wednesday. It's my only free day. The rest of the week, kahit weekend pa yan, may ginagawa na ako. Ayan, let's take a bath and let's get ready with me. Punta na kami. Grabe ang init, eh. Yung dalawang kasama, meron ng paddle. Ako, magre-rent pa din. Grabe na yun.
Print ka na ba?
Inano ko yung printer kasi bili. Print ko na lang siguro yung paddle. Grabe, no? Maglalaro na lang. Kailangan, pa? Plus 10 sa forma. Alam niyo guys, hindi ako nagtatry mag-pickleball before. Because, very judgmental tao. I thought, yung iba, mga nagpi-pickleball lang for clout. Ito kami na yung nagka-clout ngayon. Very enjoyable naman pala talaga siya. For the bili pa sila ng sapatos for pickleball, paddle, ng damit, palda, di naman marunong, di marunong mag-serve, then mas a basher. Kailangan ko nang baguhin ang aking personality judgmental. As a psych student, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-judge. Tuna ba? Ay, tuna pala, gago. Very Filipino, mali na rin yan. Dapat hindi ganyan. Dapat pag nagpa-appointment on time, ang babagal kumilos. Attitude. Ayun, palda din siya, plus 10. Plus 10 sa palda. Plus 10. Tsura mo. I'm with my fellow nationalians. Kami lang yung tao dito, grabe. Solong-solo namin yung place. Perfect timing kasi naman alas 2. Sino nga nung maglalaro ng alas 2 ng katanghalian? It's plus 10 years bright. Let's go. Parang gusto ko mag-swimming na lang. Ay, ganun pala dapat nag-exercise. Ay, nag-warm up.
Ayoko ko yun ako mag-ayun.
What if mag-swimming na lang tayo, Ting? Pambabash po tayo ng mga naglalaro, no? Yeah. Galing. So we got girls versus gay. Plus 10 yung mga nakapalda. Required ba yan? Attendance check, nakapalda ba ang lahat? Actually, naiinggit lang talaga ako. Tapos papasok na ako? Okay. Galing ko! Yes! Galing, tayo na. Sorry.
Ganito siya sa rules. Pag kami yung
Di ko na-get. Sige, ko na lang magbilang, te. Pasok lang. Hindi ka kasi marunong. Grabe, pagod na pagod ako. Tapos, lapot na lapot. Late, oo nga, actually. Imagine, lapot na lapot kami. Tapos yung ate ko, pagkatas ng game, talagang, plakadong-plakado yung make-up. Added side quest. It is to visit our loved ones. Second cemetery, my brother.
Design ng Louis Vuitton.
Ayoko, may LV.
Last time, emojis.
Hey guys, so I'm currently here sa classroom. It's our introduction to psych subject. Kakatapos namin mag-lesson. Ba't ako bumubulong kasi may mga tao pa sa paligid ko and medyo nahihiya ako, but I just wanna share you my thoughts. Psych is fun. Baka ito na yung sign na inaantay mo para tumuloy ka na sa psych. Psych is fun. Happy weekend, everyone! Today is Friday. Pahinga na ang mga Bulldogs. Yes, wala tayong classes every Saturday. At lalong wala ng Sunday. Thank you, Lord, sa magandang schedule. Isang person na po muna tayo ngayon, no? For the following days. Isang manggagawang Pilipino na po tayo ngayon. Hindi na tayo isang estudyanteng Pinoy. Thank you, Lord. Nakasurvive tayo for the first week. One word, overwhelmed. Sobrang overwhelming for me nung first week. For the past few days, sobrang overwhelming, not just yung fact na estudyante na ako, it is also overwhelming sa part na I need to balance my time. So, kailangan kong paghandaan yung work and paghandaan yung studies at the same time. It's hard kasi both are demanding time and time can't be bought. So, as is lang siya. Kung anong meron ka, kung anong ibinigay sa'yo, yun lang yung kaya mong gamitin. Sobrang hirap niya i-balance. It's overwhelming me for the first few days. Pero slowly, na gagrasp na natin yung dynamics, no? Talaga, sobrang struggle to the point na napapagalitan na ako sa work. I'd like to admit na talagang napabayaan ko yung work for a while. Pero I'm trying to bounce back. Hopefully, for the next coming days or the upcoming days, makabawi na tayo, makabounce back na tayo para di naman na tayo pagalitan ng ating team leader. I know a lot of people may take this too dramatic, I'm being OA, pero hindi. My heart is the one who's speaking right now. Sobrang daming emotions, sobrang daming feelings na namumuo, nag-overflow, and this is the platform where I can, or at least I can think of na okay ako, comfortable ako mag-yap, mag-vent out, maglabas ng saloobin. Wala, no one's judging me until mapanood nila to. But anyway, sa mga makakanood nito, I hope may napupulot naman kayong senses dito sa aking vlogs. Siguro may ma-reach din akong mga audience na confused or still thinking kung magsa-psych ba sila for college. Guys, one word, passion. Passion talaga. I think every courses naman sa college, kailangan ng passion. Kasi you need to have that drive within you. Hindi lang yung utak mo. You need to have that feeling, the strong feeling to pursue this. Kasi kapag wala kayong passion, guys, dadating kayo sa point wherein you'll be exhausted. Tapos, anong kasunod nun? Wala. Magda-drop out. Shift sa another course. My advice, determine if you have the passion to take this course. Another reason why you might want to choose psychology. Ito sa ibang perspective na to, pagiging practical na to, okay? So sobrang bilis ng innovation ng mundo, guys. A lot of jobs are being replaced by AI. But one thing's for sure, psychology can never be replaced by AI. Because walang heart ang AI. Walang emotion ng AI. Kaya kung natatakot kayo na baka after nyo graduate, wala kayong maging work. No, guys. Kasi malawak talaga ang scope ng psych. Marami kayong pwedeng puntahan. I hope I was able to help you decide kung magpapatuloy ka ba sa psych or not. Sana mahanap ko yung right audience para dito sa vlog na to. I hope mahanap ko yung people na makaka-appreciate ng mga ganitong contents. Ganito yung situation ko, guys. So after ko talaga mag-work, after ng class ko, kailangan ko na mag-login. Ay, gawin niya, attendance check pala. Pagkalitan na naman ako. Kailangan ko talagang mag-login agad. Talagang hati ang persona ng person. Isang worker at isang estudyante. Okay na, let's cut it here. I'll see you guys next week sa aking next vlog. Once again, I hope na-reach ko yung mga audience na kailangan tong video na to. I hope naka-inspire ako and motivate sa inyo, guys. If you have any questions about the course, about me, or anything under the sun, just comment down below and I'll try to reply in my next vlog. This has been Paeng. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for another day. Thank you, Lord, for giving me the opportunity to make this vlog. Thank you, Lord, for everything. Thank you for this life. I'll try my best to live this life to the fullest. Thank you so much for watching this video. Paalam.